साडे विआह दी ढोलकी कदों वजनी, साडे विआह दी ढोलकी कदों वजनी, कदों वजनी साडी कदों वजनी ढोलकी कदों वजनी, साडी वोटियां दे साडी वोटियां दे हथी मेहंदी कदों लगनी, साडे विआह दी ढोलकी कदों वजनी।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज हमारी वीडियो का जो मौजूद सुखन है वो है विक्ट्री स्क्वायर। विक्ट्री स्क्वायर एक ऐसी जगह जिथे हर वक्त बहुत सारे पाकिस्तानी इंडियन तक अजी आग सेकते हैं। वजह है कि इत्थे हर वक्त आग बलती रही, लेकिन इस आग का दरअसल मकसद की है अज वो वेखते हैं।
World War II, or the Second World War, often abbreviated as World War II or WW2, was a world war that lasted from 1939 to 1945. It involved the vast majority of the world's countries, including all of the great powers, forming two opposing military alliances, the Allies and the Axis powers. World War II was a total war that directly involved more than 100 million personnel from more than 30 countries. What are three main causes of WW2? The main causes of World War II include the Treaty of Versailles following World War I, economic depression across the world, rise of Nazism, failure of the League of Nations. Why it relates to Victory Square. Victory Square is a public square in the city of Bishkek, the capital of Kyrgyzstan. It is dedicated to the victory over Nazi Germany. It was created in 1985, on the occasion of the 40th anniversary of the end of the Second World War. The square features a statue of a woman, waiting for her husband to return home from the war. The depicted woman is standing under a tinduk in the form of a funeral wreath held by 3 ribs of red granite representing a yurt. A traditional yurt or gur is a portable, round tent covered with skins or felt and used as a dwelling by several distinct nomadic groups in the steppes of Central Asia. The structure consists of an angled assembly or latticework of wood or bamboo for walls, a door frame, ribs, and a will possibly steam vent. Another part of the square is the eternal fire. An eternal flame is a flame, lamp or torch that burns for an indefinite time. Most eternal flames are ignited and tended intentionally, but some are natural phenomena caused by natural gas leaks, peat fires and coal seam fires. All of which can be initially ignited by lightning, piezoelectricity or human activity, some of which have burned for hundreds or thousands of years. So that was the story. That's all for today. Goodbye, take care.